Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this tutorial, we're going to introduce Qwen-Image-Edit-2509, which claims to be the open source Nano banana. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to know more about this new model, go to Qwen-Image GitHub page. You can see there are a lot of introductions here. Also, there are really good code examples to show you how to integrate this new model to your workflow. And the quickest way to try this out is through the Hugging Face space. You can just go to spaces Qwen-Image-Edit-2509. You should be able to try it without any problems. Just upload the image here and add your prompt. You should be able to get your image edited just like Nano Banana. So, but in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to run this in ComfyUI, which is probably the best way so far. So if you want to test it out in ComfyUI, go to ComfyUI.org. So this is officially supported by ComfyUI now. So you can just go to the ComfyUI.org to download the official workflow. So if you scroll down the page, you can see that there's a download workflow button. You can download the workflow from here. So after you downloaded the workflow, you just upload everything to ComfyUI instance. For example, this is the ComfyUI instance that we set up on Kaggle. And after you upload the workflow, this is how it looks. So after the workflow is ready, go to the left side. You can see there's a lot of the model you need to download. So there's diffusion models, there's LoRa's, VAE, and text encoders. So because Kaggle has limited memory, so we try to restrict the size of the model. And instead of using the diffusion model stiff tensors, we're going to replace it with the GGUF model, which you can download from the Quant Stack repo on Hugging Face. You can choose the Q4 or Q5. So in this tutorial, we use Q4-0. And after that, you just need to connect this GGUF node to the LoRa loader model only. So that should be it. So to try it out, you need to update 1, 2, 3 images. So if you just want to edit one image, you can just use the first image. If you want to massage all the images together, you need to upload 1, 2, 3 images, as you see here. And after that, you just need to connect everything to the text encoder Qwen-Image-Edit+. So you can see there's image 1, image 2, and image 3. So if you want to enter a prompt, go to the clip section, which is text encoder Qwen-Image-Edit+. You can put the prompt here. For example, we have these 3 images, and we want to create a final image based on these 3 images. So how to do that? First, we want to replace the cat with a Dalmatian. So, and then this image, first image, will be replaced with a dog. And let the girl in image 2 lie on the sofa on image 3. So that means the second image will actually have a girl put into the third image. And then let the Dalmatian lie on the floor to sleep. So, which means the dog generated from the first image will be a dog, and then the dog will lie on the third image. So, after you run the workflow, you will be able to see an image like this, which is perfect. So this is how you run the Qwen-Edit-2509 with a ComfyUI workflow. So that being said, hopefully this is helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.